Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about new scenario in DAX. So please try to watch all my previous videos so that you'll get more understanding on different technologies like SQL Server development, performance tuning, Power BI and DAX, and integration services. Now we'll go to the Power BI desktop. There you can understand today's video demo. So for time being, already I have designed the report, so I'll try to explain what are the steps I have followed to design this report and all. So basically here the requirement is very simple. So here the requirement is, for example, so in case if I select any date, any specific month, I want to see the up to date the current month, so month to date. For example, let me explain an example so that you'll get more understanding. See, for example, let me scroll a little bit. Now we can see in 2001 we are in July month. If I select July 15 2001, so I'm trying to display up to, so month to date only the up to the selected date from July month 1st 2001 to up to the July 15th 2001 only. Okay, we can select any date, so it is giving the dynamically based on the up to selected date. For example, if I select August month means, so it is showing up to 8th month August. Okay, sorry, so August 7th. Okay, 2001. So likewise, based on the selected date, we are trying to display the month to date sales, so for the particular month. Okay, so we'll try to see what kind of logic I have written to get this expected output. It's very simple. Let me show you. So test visual. So try to zoom in. So basically here I have declared one variable. In this variable I'm trying to capture the selected date in the slicer. In the second variable I'm trying to find the max row number for the for this date. So here we can notice that I'm trying to pass this variable value as a input to this date value. Again, in the third variable I'm trying to filter the conditions based on the selected date and row number. Okay, and finally returning this result. Okay, so likewise we're getting this expected output, so we can select any dates. It's working fine, there's no problem on that. So let me test some other dates so that we can see. Like if I select July 2nd means we are showing only July 2nd. If I select July 4 means 4 dates. Okay, like that we are displaying the month to date up to the selected date. So in the next video I'll try to show the all the month for the specific year month to date. Okay, we'll try to see that based on the selection, so in upcoming videos. So that's all for today's video. I hope you like this video. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you guys.